Alright guys, welcome to Digital Art Academy YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley Wanga, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an awesome maxing effect like this in Photoshop. Let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is to get the image I'm going to be using. So I have the two images that I'm going to be using here. So if I have the first one, which is the phone that I'm going to be using, 3D phone that I'm going to be using, and I have the image of the person that is jumping I'm going to be also be using. So the first thing I need to do is to remove the background of this image. So the tool that I can use to remove the background, because this is a white background I have on this 3D phone, what I just need to do is to use my background eraser tool and click on the background, and I'll be able to remove the white background I have on that. And I can also click down here because you can see that there is a bit of the background showing down here. So I'm going to just click on that and we'll remove the background. Then the next thing I need to do is to come to the other page for the other picture. Then go ahead and select using select subject to select the person inside this background right now. So I'm going to just go to my select and use select subject. So let's go ahead and do that. So select subject, just select and click on subject and wait for that to load and make the selection for us. So the next thing we need to do now is to cut this out of the background. So I'll just cut this character out of the background. Now I'm going to use my Ctrl J to copy it and put it in another layer. So just go ahead, Ctrl J. I have that in a new layer, and then I can now place this my 3D model here into this other page that I have. So I'm going to select it like this and move it to the other section. So I want it to face the other way around. So I'm going to use my transform, Ctrl T to transform, and then right click and flip horizontally so that I'll have it flipped this other way, and press enter to have that deselected. So the next thing I want to do is make that a bit bigger. The 3D model, make it a bit bigger. 3D iPhone, make it bigger, place it around here. Then I want to select the white color in the iPhone 3D. So I'm going to just go ahead and select that using my magic wand tool. I'm going to select that, so make a selection of that. So I'm going to go ahead, use my magic wand and make a selection of that. So I have the selection of that. I have the selection already. So I'm going to go ahead now and select the model and take it and put it on top of the 3D model layer. So I'm going to take it on top of it. Take it on top of it like this, and then have it selected. Then go ahead and then max that the person. I'm going to max the person out. So I'm going to go ahead and max him out like this. So before maxing him out, I need to first of all place him close to my phone like this. So let's go. So I'm going to let me take this back a bit. So let's make sure that this is actually placed around here and it's on top of the layer. And then go ahead and use our, so let's place it around here. So go ahead and use our magic wand tool to select the iPhone model like this. So go down to the iPhone model layer and select it like this, and then go ahead and select the person's layer, and then go ahead and click on your max. So I have that maxed out now. So what you just need to do is use your brush tool and make sure that in your foreground color and background color, in the foreground color you have a white color there. So I'm going to toggle this so that the white color will come up and the black color will go down. Then I can reduce my brush by using my brackets, my curly brace. So using my curly brace now, I can reduce my brush, reduce it like this now, and then go ahead and select the maxed layer and paint over it. So I'm painting it over it now. So let's increase the flow of the brush. So I'm going to increase the flow like this, and then I'll go ahead and paint. So while painting over this now, you can see that the person's picture is now being reviewed gradually. So something like this now, I have the picture being reviewed like this. So you can increase the flow again so that to go increase it to 100%, and you can go ahead and over that. So you can see that we have the person picture now showing correctly like this, so you can see. So this is how you create that awesome maxing effect in Photoshop. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever we drop awesome videos like this. See you guys in the next video.